Earth science again. This is Norris Teaches Science, another Earth Science Edition video starring me, Mr. Norris, and today I present to you urbanization. So by the end of this video, I'm hoping that you can say I can discuss how let's start over. I can discuss how urbanization has affected the Earth's environment. So what is urbanization? This is the movement of people from the rural areas to the cities. And all of this depends on the resources outside the city, how big the city can get. I did the opposite in my life so far. I moved from a city to the rural area, but most people I know have went from the rural area and they moved on to the city. All right, so why are big cities growing? Why are we getting these big cities appearing? Why are we getting more cities out there? One, there's an increase of birth rates. More people are being born in the world, and there's a decrease in death rates. Means because of our health system and advances in medicine, people aren't dying as fast as they did um, in the past. And so, because of that, population is growing bigger and bigger. So, population growth is causing these big cities. There's better paying jobs sometimes in the cities. There are actually more jobs available. There's not a lot in the rural area, you don't have many jobs that you can go with. Better reliable standards of living and foods. I mean, think of a city, there's all these different places to eat, and sometimes the living situation is better in the city. Medical services are usually located in the city, and they are better medical services. They have more advances, more doctors, better equipment, say, than the local clinic that would be in a rural area. And of course, immigration, people coming into an area from a different country could cause cities to grow. And this is all over the world, not just in the United States. Now, some benefits of urban development is better education systems. More money in the more people there means more tax money, means more money can go into the educational system for students. Better medical services, more people, more money, more advances in technology are located in the cities, and better social service programs are in the cities as well. But some problems are there's sometimes an inadequate water system. There's poor sewage systems sometimes. Infectious diseases spread faster in a city. It's 2020 when I'm making this video. We're dealing with COVID-19. You're going to see more infections in the big cities because people are living in closer contact with each other. And also, if you're in the city, you're going to be exposed to pollution more. Um, New York City, Los Angeles, Tokyo, all these different places that have big cities. That means there's more people, more cars being used, more pollution out there. You're going to be exposed to them more. And humans' exposure to pollution can cause a lot of medical issues. Now, the effect on the city, pollution is higher, like I mentioned, and it can cause diseases and illnesses, but it's also something called a heat island effect. So, in the summer months, it's hot. But in the city, it's going to be a little hotter than outside the city because you're going to have the pavement, more people, not a lot of things that can absorb the heat or give shade like trees. There's mainly more people. So you get this heat island effect, as it's called, where the city is hotter than the surrounding area. And this is a little bit about urbanization. There's a whole bunch more that we can get into with this. Expand your knowledge. Go read some more. Hope you learned a little bit today. And this is Miss Norris, and I'm signing out for this video.